Hello everyone. Today I am going to present my project titled AI powered automated caller bot. This is the dashboard where we can view overall system statistics such as total number of calls made, call success rate, and student activity. This dashboard acts as a central monitoring system for administrators to quickly understand the performance of the application. Here, we can also add new students by entering details such as roll number, name, parent contact number, department, and year. This makes it easy to manage student records efficiently within the system. And so, next, moving to the student management and attendance module. In this section, we can view the list of all students along with their details. We can mark attendance as present or absent directly from this interface. This digital attendance system helps in reducing manual errors and ensures accurate data recording. Now, once a student is marked absent, the system automatically triggers a call to the parent using the integrated Twilio API. The parent receives a voice message informing them about the student's absence and is prompted to provide a reason. This ensures real time communication between the institution and parents without any manual effort. After that, moving to the call log section. Here, we can see detailed information about all the calls made by the system. This includes call status such as initiated or completed, call duration, timestamps, and also the category of the response provided by the parent. This helps in tracking communication history effectively. We also have a bulk calling feature. In this module, administrators can upload a file containing multiple phone numbers and initiate calls to all parents simultaneously. This feature is especially useful for making announcements or handling large numbers of students efficiently. And finally, in the analytics and reports section, we can view various insights related to attendance and communication. The system analyzes student attendance patterns and categorizes them into different risk levels such as low, medium, and high. This helps in identifying students who require attention and allows institutions to take proactive measures. But at the end, we can also generate and view a detailed report. This report includes important information such as student names, parent contact details, call status, responses, and categorized reasons for absence. It provides a clear summary of daily attendance communication and helps administrators in tracking and decision making. Overall, this system automates attendance tracking, improves communication efficiency, and provides intelligent insights for better academic management.